Hello, everybody. This is Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies, and I'm here with a Great Northern locomotive that I've had since 1974 December. And she still has a lot of life in her, but she hasn't been cleaned up. Yet she still wants to run. So what do you do with an old locomotive? Do I keep her forever? I think so. What about beyond forever? Meaning, where does she go? Because she'll still be here when someday I'm gone. Maybe get her to a young model railroader. Who knows? It's funny, when I got it in 1974, I thought I'd be a little kid forever. And I thought she'd run forever.